Real Yoga Life, I put on IGTV the other day a little 2-minute flow sequence. I was requested to make a tutorial video on the Swan pose, so like that hip hang pose at the beginning of the sequence, from K Mapra. So K Mapra, thank you so much for asking for this tutorial. This one is dedicated to you. So we're going to grab the hammock hip width apart, pushing down and walking towards the front of your mat. As you're pushing it down, your hips meet the hammock and you bend forward. And you bend forward, bringing your hands to the ground and walking back into a downward dog shape. So as you can see, the hammock is, my hip bones are here, and then I've got my hip flexors and then the top of my thigh bone. So the fleshy bit that's underneath your hip bone is where the hammock is going to be sitting. So bringing your hands up, chest comes forward, feet come together, toes pointed, and lift your legs up. So you can see my legs are parallel with the ground, my butt is tight. There can be pressure on your back here as well, if you're not used to it, and on your hips. If you feel like you're going to be falling out, usually your hands are lower, like this, and you haven't reached up high enough, and your feet will be high as well. So if I was to let go of my hands, I literally would fall out head first. So if you lower your legs parallel to the ground, climb up more with your hands, and really arch your back towards the front of the room. From here, we can balance. So if I take my hands off, and you'll see my legs are actually lower, so they're not parallel with the floor anymore, because my top body is heavier than my legs. So to counterbalance and be able to balance securely here, my legs will need to come lower and my torso will need to come up higher. And then you can practice going into a ball and going into swan. So as you see, if I don't touch the hammock in this open chest position and I'm just balancing, I come into ball and I shoot out with my legs first towards the ground, and then I raise my torso up, widening my arms, and floating my hands as counterbalance. To release any tension on your back, you can come into a downward dog position, and lengthen out your hamstrings. You can sway your hips side to side a little bit, just releasing any of the tight muscles in your back and working them out. Breaths. And then come out and walk towards the front with our feet and our hands as far as you can go. Heels come down and roll slowly up to standing. And that is how you do swan. If you have any comments, queries about this pose, or have any variations that you'd like to share with me, that would be awesome. Please comment, like, and share this video. Thank you!